Welcome to another video walk around. Today we're going to be taking a look at this one owner 2016 Toyota Yaris SE. This front wheel drive 5-passenger hatchback comes in this stunning magnetic gray color and has plenty of room for passengers and cargo. This is an affordable and reliable ride. All it needs is a new driver. Starting on the exterior with some of the notable features, one of the very first things you'll notice is these great looking aggressive headlamps, and just below that you'll also notice the fog lamps. Coming around to the side, you notice this vehicle currently rides on 15-inch rims wrapped in winter tires, though this vehicle also comes with a second set of rims and tires. Moving along to the back, you'll notice this vehicle does come with a rear windshield wiper, which is super handy for the winter. And you'll also notice this additional color-matched roof spoiler, making it look nice and sharp. Hopping inside this Yaris is nice and easy thanks to the remote keyless entry. Simply hit the unlock button on the key fob and the vehicle will unlock. One of the very first things you'll notice inside this Yaris is this great looking black cloth interior with a really nice white accent stitching and this nice ribbing at the top to give it a nice texture. Just below the driver's seat you'll also notice the manual adjustments for the driver's seat, and in the footwell you'll also notice these fantastic all-weather mats. These are super easy to clean regardless of how dirty they get. Take a look at the driver's side door panel. You'll also notice the controls for the power windows as well as the power locks. Now let's take a look inside at some of the notable interior features. Inside this Yaris there's a host of great features, starting on the left hand side here with the power mirror controls as well as the dimmer switch for the gauge cluster. Speaking of the gauge cluster, if we take a look, you can see that this vehicle only has 46,198 kilometers on it, making it a nice low kilometer vehicle. Taking a look at the steering wheel on the left hand side here, we have the steering wheel mounted audio controls, making it nice and easy to adjust your audio without ever taking your hands off the wheel. And on the right hand side we've also got the stock for the cruise control. Taking a look in the center dash here, we've got on the left hand side the hazard lights as well as the warning for the passenger airbag. And just to the right of that we have the touchscreen infotainment system here. This is where you can access all of your audio, including your AM, FM, CD, USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth. That Bluetooth connectivity is fantastic to have, and you can link it up to your phone. You've also got the voice recognition button in the top there, and you've got your setup on the right hand side as well as the Bluetooth hands-free calling button. Just below that you've got the single zone climate control, though this vehicle does come equipped with AC, making it fantastic for those hot Okanagan summers. Just below that you've got a 12-volt outlet as well as a USB and auxiliary input for that audio system that I mentioned earlier. Taking a look just below, you've got the shifter, and below that you've got the button in the center there to toggle the traction control on and off. And if we take a look on the passenger side here in the footwell, you can see this great all-weather mat, making it nice and easy to clean. And on the passenger side door panel you've also got the power lock and power window controls. Hopping in the rear of this vehicle, you'll notice that same great black cloth seating continues. These seats do fold down on a 60-40 split if you have additional cargo to store. You'll also notice back here that the same great all-weather mats are continued in the rear, making it nice and easy to clean. On the door panels back here, you'll also notice the power window controls. And coming along to the hatch and popping it open, you'll find inside plenty of room for cargo in this nice carpeted cargo area. And you'll also notice this great privacy cover that you can slide on and off for additional privacy for your cargo. Like I said, those seats do fold in the 60-40 split, as you can see there. And just below here we've also got the spare tire in case you ever get a flat, along with all the tools required to change it. You can take this privacy cover off if you want to store something bigger, and to fold those seats down it's just going to be these tabs on the sides here. And closing up the hatch, you can see this vehicle looks great in the rear. That concludes this short video walk around of this 2016 Yaris SE, but there's lots I didn't get to show you, and this vehicle is loaded with features. So make sure you stop by Kelowna Toyota, located at 1200 Leadhead Road, or visit us online at KelownaToyota.com for more information. We look forward to seeing you soon.